Hello, boys and girls. Today we are on to our third system. It is the atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. I just want to spell that out for you because it's in red and a little hard to see. But that is the colored pencil you're going to use today when we go to label and sort our picture. The atmosphere is the air around the earth. So any air around the earth, okay? And we'll get into what air is over here in just a second. Atmo, like you can probably imagine, means air in Greek. And an aerologist is someone who's going to study the atmosphere and what makes the air. So studies the atmosphere. Again, please make sure you are taking good notes today on your lined piece of paper with your pencil, making sure that you write down everything that's on the board because you never know when you get to use it. Okay, so an aerologist studies the atmosphere. I have some things that are already written on the board. There was a lot for atmosphere. So something that's interesting about the atmosphere is all weather that takes place is in the atmosphere. Any weather, tornadoes, hurricanes, rain, hail, anything that happens weather related is going to happen in a layer of the atmosphere. We'll dive deeper into what those layers are later, but there are layers of the atmosphere. We live in a layer of the atmosphere, and all weather takes place in the atmosphere, okay? The atmosphere, each layer has a different job. One of the layers of the atmosphere keeps out most of the ultraviolet radiation from the sun, but still lets warmth and heat come through. The ones that it doesn't protect us against, we need sunscreen for. So that's why we always say, you know, wear your sunscreen at the beach because it tries to keep out most of the ultraviolet radiation, but we still need to wear sunscreen for the parts that it doesn't. In the atmosphere, it burns asteroids. I've been told before that, you know, asteroids are always kind of coming to Earth, but layers of the atmosphere, they do their job and they burn them up before they become big, huge things. Apparently, Superman did not get burned up in the atmosphere. Maybe we don't protect against supernatural beings. Anyways, the atmosphere also holds heat. So we have our warm days, we have our cold days. When the sun goes down anywhere, whether it was a really hot day or not, the temperature of the atmosphere is going to decrease. Whether it's decreasing from 100 to 70 or 70 to 30 degrees, it's still going to decrease as the sun goes down because the sun is our main source of heat. All right, so the atmosphere, air, study the atmosphere, all weather takes place there. What is air? Air is made up of a bunch of different things. I'm going to tilt you just a little because there's like a layer. Air is made up 78% nitrogen, okay? 21% oxygen, 1% argon, who knows what that is, and 0.4%, less than a whole, of CO2, the stuff that we breathe out, carbon dioxide, okay? There's also water vapor in the air, like we've talked about before, and it's invisible and tasteless and scent-free. Okay, so the air, normal air that you're breathing in, is, I can't see it, so it's invisible, it's tasteless, and it's scent-free. So atmosphere is made up of air that surrounds the earth. Please make sure you have out a red colored pencil for our lesson today, and that you've taken down the notes. Feel free to always rewatch this as many times as you need to get everything down. And I will see you guys later. Thank you.